friendly internet patrons. Today we are going to do a makeup habits tag. I was tagged to do this video by Dolly Mama Beauty, who is right over here. I recently found her channel probably in the last couple weeks and she's pretty great to watch, so I strongly recommend you go take a look at her channel. I don't know who created this tag, but I will find it and put it down below, but let's get into it. Question number one is, how often do you wear a full face of makeup? And I could truthfully say 6 to 7 days a week, only because I wear a full face of makeup 5 days a week for work, unless I'm working from home, and then I don't put makeup on typically. On Saturdays and Sundays, it's touch and go. Most of the time I do a full face of makeup because I film on Saturdays and Sundays to post throughout the week. Question number two is your everyday look more colorful or more neutral? And mine varies. I don't have an everyday makeup look. I just kind of go with what I'm feeling, whatever I'm testing that day, that week for my channel. So it's kind of hard to say. For example, if I'm testing, say, the Masquerade mini palette by Juvia's Place that week, my makeup will be more flamboyant. If I'm being totally honest, typically my style is a little bit more on the aggressive side. I don't really do neutral makeup very often. Question number three is, how long does it take to do my everyday makeup look? And I would say probably about a half an hour for my everyday makeup, which I don't really have a go-to look. So typically my makeup takes me about a half an hour. Question number four is, do you apply your foundation first or your eye makeup first? And I vary. When I have my skincare regime really down pat, I will actually do my eyes first while my skincare kind of sinks into my skin. But typically I don't have my skincare routine down and I do my foundation first. What are some bad makeup habits that you have that you can't stop doing? Probably brush hygiene. I'm really bad for washing my brushes. I find it very tedious and I don't have a ton of spare time, and that's just something that keeps falling by the wayside and just doesn't get done. Question number six, do you use beauty influencer beauty tactics and tips, or do you use your own style? I would definitely say I use my own style. There are obviously things I have learned off of YouTube and off of Instagram that I've seen, but there's no one specifically I follow, and there's no specific thing that somebody does that I now do. Question number seven is, what is the one thing in my makeup routine that takes the longest? And I would say that's probably my eyeshadow. Nothing takes an exorbitant amount of time, but if I was going to put time into something, it's definitely whatever eyeshadow look I'm creating that day. What is one step in your makeup routine that you are okay with skipping? I would say that is probably highlight. I don't like live and die by highlight at all. Like, I do typically wear it on a day-to-day basis, but if I forget it, it's no big deal. I'm not bothered by it throughout the day. So that was question 8A. Question 8B is, what in my makeup routine would I never skip? And I would say that's probably brows or mascara. If I have no false lashes, and by false lashes I mean lash extensions because I don't wear falsies, I don't typically skip mascara because I look really funny. I also don't skip brows because one of my eyebrows is considerably lighter, smaller, shorter, and thinner than the other, and it just won't grow in. So if I don't do my brows, I look a little lopsided. Number 9, what type of makeup looks are out of my comfort zone? None, literally none. I would probably try anything or do anything, wear anything out of the house. I recently did a small blog rant about people feeling like they are not brave enough to wear certain types of looks, and I'm not down with that. Number 10, I need to read off my phone because I feel like there's a lot of words. Do you wear matte liquid lipstick, cream lipstick, gloss, or a mixture? I am definitely preferential to liquid lipstick. I have lots of cream lipsticks. They would be my second choice. I never wear lip gloss because I hate it. My hair gets stuck in it. It's so sticky and gross. I just can't stand it. I don't even like how it looks on me. If you could only wear one shade of lipstick for the rest of your life, what would it be? I would probably have to say Max Twig, which is funny because it's a cream lipstick, but it's kind of a go with everything and go with any look lipstick for me. It's just a My Lips but better, so it's a safe choice. Number 12 is, do you highlight and contour your face? Of course I do. It's part of my everyday makeup routine, so it's just kind of there, and yeah, I do every day. Maybe not highlight. I don't do like the extreme highlight where they take like the cream highlight and like go here and here and here and here and here and you look like this crazy person. I don't do that, but like I will contour my cheekbones and I will toss on some highlight on a daily basis. The last question is, what is the one step in my makeup routine that makes me feel the most complete? I would say that's probably foundation, only because my skin is super, super red naturally. It's always a different color than the rest of my body. It really just evens me out and makes me feel a little bit more comfortable. Anyway, guys, if you're watching this, I tag you. I hope you get your makeup habits out there. And now I feel like I should think about all like the bad makeup habits that I have and maybe try and change them.